So, care to step into the ring?
Get me in the ring.
Spectacular! Let the fireworks begin!
We'll make you regret signing up.
Protego!
Confringo!
Accio! Lumos! Accio!
Sendo!
Find the wand! Expulso!
Confringo!
Expulso!
Come on! Accio!
Expulso!
Levioso! Accio!
Like a winner!
Protego!
Confringo!
Accio! Stupid! Lumos! Accio!
Don't shy away now.
Confringo!
Accio! Lumos! Lumos!
Is that all you've got?
Lumos!
Confringo! Confringo!
Expulso!
Lumos!
Confringo! Levioso!
Protego! Stupid! Lumos!
Confringo!
Lumos!
Expulso!
Lumos!
Confringo!
Protego! Lumos!
Levioso!
Lumos! Come on!
Don't shy away now.
Protego!
Find the wand!
Confringo!
Lumos!
Levioso! You're better than that!
Protego! There goes my way.
Confringo! Levioso!
Protego!
Confringo!
Give him what for?
Lumos!
Expulso!
Take
Act like a winner!
Confringo!
Protego!
Expulso!
Lumos!
Confringo!
Lumos!
Levioso!
Lumos!
Confringo!
Expulso!
Protego!
Expulso!
Lumos! Accio! Lumos! Protego!
Pity more people can't watch the duels.
Nice work. Sebastian wasn't wrong about you. There's strong competition ahead, but keep this up and you could be the next school champion.
Brilliant. Count me in.
I shall. Now, it takes these duels, but check with me later. I may have something lined up for you. Again, congratulations on your first Crossed Wands victory. Well fought. Hope to see you back here again.
Lumos. Accio. Got it.
Let us give the old mending charm a try then, shall we? Remember to be deliberate in your enunciation and movements. I want to see some vigor. Now, wand at the ready.
Yes, sir.
Remember, your wand is a conduit of your magic. Allegedly symbolized heart.
Reparo.
Perhaps a jilted lover thought it too accurate and lashed out.
Accio. Well, that's one of Zenobia's gobstones. I hardly see what all the fuss is about. Lumos. Accio. I'd better keep an eye on high places around the school for Zenobia's gobstones. Revelio. Lumos. Accio. Levioso. Revelio. Levioso. Revelio. Hello, Zenobia. I found all your gobstones.
Really? I didn't think it was possible. However did you do it?
Common sense and basic magic.
Well, may I have my gobstones back?
I'm afraid I've decided to keep them. That'll teach you to stink up your classmates.
What? You'd keep my prized collection for yourself?
Yes. Finders keepers, I'm afraid.
I knew it! You're just as bad as everyone else. I hate this school. You'll all be sorry when I learn some more spells.